How to change your Wix website name. Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today we're going to talk about Wix. Now the first thing you're going to do is you're going to sign in into your account, and after doing that you would be redirected to this page over here where you would be able to access and see all the different websites that you are editing or creating. Now the first thing you're going to do is you're going to select a website that you want to change the name of. For example, this website over here, I'm simply going to click on this website and we would be redirected to this dashboard over here where we will be able to access every part of our website. Now the first thing we're going to do is we're going to click on our search bar over here on the top, and then we're going to search in site name. Now over here we have multiple options. We have the edit site, business or website name, domain, rename site, or duplicate site. What we're going to click on is the rename site. And over here, this is where you will be able to change your website name by simply changing this information over here. For example, we're going to change it to How to Jam. And then you can simply click on save, and then your website's name would be changed to this specific phrase. And that's it guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.